Welcome to the Goddess Kingdom. In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly set an altar to perform any spell ritual featuring the Goddess Kingdom altar gift set. All altar tools in this video are included in our gift set and can be found on the Goddess Kingdom website in the link below this video. All items included in the Goddess Kingdom altar gift set have been cleansed, consecrated, and enchanted before shipping to your address. To set an altar, we will first begin by determining the correct direction of north using either an actual compass or using an app on your phone. Once you know the correct direction of north, remove the altar cloth from the gift box and set the top point of the pentagram to face directly north. Next, remove all items from the gift box. Once you have removed all of the items, you will set the 4 elements in their correct designation. You will do this by beginning in the east and setting the first element of the 4 quarters, the element of air on the east point of the pentagram. The element of air is represented by the atom. Next, you will set the second element of the 4 quarters, the element of fire, on the south center point. The element of fire is represented by the selenite wand. Next, you will set the third element, the element of water, on the west point. The element of water is represented by the chalice and moon water. You will set the chalice and pour some of the moon water included in the gift box into the chalice. Moon water is in a way similar to holy water for Wiccans and witches. Moon water is water that has been collected from a natural source as a freshwater stream or rain. The collected rain or water is then blessed and consecrated under a full moon. Moon water may be individually purchased from the Goddess Kingdom website in the link below this video. Continuing on to the north point, you will lastly set the 4th element, the element of earth. The element of earth is represented by the wooden bowl and consecrated Wiccan salt, also known as witch's salt. You will pour some of the Wiccan salt included in the gift set into the wooden bowl. The chime spell candle will be set at the center of the pentagram to perform your spell work. Before continuing with your spell ritual or ceremony, it is traditionally proper to set pillar candles at each point of the pentagram. Pillar candles are not included with the Goddess Kingdom altar gift set, but you may choose to set candles of your own. Once all candles have been set in place, you will next light the pillar candles before beginning your ceremony in the proper manner. Beginning on the east point, you will light the first candle and continue lighting the altar in a clockwise direction. Your ritual altar has now been properly set, and you may begin your ritual and spell work by summoning the 4 quarters and creating a sacred circle. To learn how to summon the 4 quarters and create a sacred circle, please watch our video, Creating a Sacred Circle. Mary Part. The Goddess Kingdom.